Hi, Matty O'Broy, your real estate resource in the Silicon Valley. You know, we have so many great spots here in the Bay Area. We're so blessed because there's so much to choose from. Now, Union City, for example, is getting a lot of attention these days because of its location, and we know how crucial it is to have a good location for real estate. Now, the cool thing about this property, it's right next to Dumbarton Bridge, so you're minutes away from all the major companies in the Silicon Valley, and I can't wait to show you this property. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 33798 Heritage Court, a beautiful single-family home located on a large corner lot in the highly sought-after Heritage Pointe Community. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home has an inviting floor plan with a soaring cathedral ceiling, allowing an abundance of natural light. Gleaming laminate flooring, a formal dining room, complete with custom wainscoting, and a captivating staircase. The open kitchen features a cozy breakfast nook, a large center island with bar seating, granite counters, custom backsplash, a walk-in pantry, and plenty of cabinets for your storage needs. The family room has an exquisite fireplace, making it a comfortable retreat for family gatherings. There's a convenient bedroom and full bath downstairs, making it the perfect option for guests, teenagers, or multi-generational living. The upstairs master bedroom suite features an enormous walk-in closet, spa tub, and large standalone shower. Enjoy a nicely landscaped, low-maintenance front and backyard. Close to nearby James Logan High School, Union City Bart, Alameda Creek Walking Trail, and Union Landing Shopping Center.
Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a gorgeous property, and if you'd love to entertain your family and friends like I do, this is an ideal place for you. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime. We'll talk to you soon.